Stretch marks are a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. They are caused by the stretching of the skin, usually due to weight gain, pregnancy, or rapid growth during adolescence. Stretch marks can appear on different parts of the body, including the thighs, hips, stomach, arms, and breasts. They can be unsightly and have a significant impact on a person's self-esteem and confidence. While there are many products on the market that claim to reduce the appearance of stretch marks, it's important to choose the right one. Some products may contain harsh chemicals that can damage the skin, while others may not be effective at all. That's why we're reviewing Stretch Marks Formula, a natural and safe product that promises to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. What is Stretch Marks Formula? Stretch Marks Formula is a natural product that is specifically designed to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It is made from a blend of natural ingredients that work together to nourish and repair the skin, promoting healthy skin growth and reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Stretch Marks Formula is different from other stretch mark creams on the market because it is free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances. The product is formulated using only natural ingredients, which means that it is safe to use and suitable for all skin types. Ingredients: Stretch Marks Formula contains a blend of natural ingredients that work together to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. The key ingredients in the formula include helichrysum oil. This oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and is known for its ability to soothe and heal damaged skin. Rosehip seed oil. This oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which help to repair and regenerate the skin. Together, these ingredients work to nourish and repair the skin, reducing the appearance of stretch marks and promoting healthy, glowing skin. The natural ingredients in Stretch Marks Formula make it safe and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. How does Stretch Marks Formula work? Stretch Marks Formula works by nourishing and repairing the skin, promoting healthy skin growth, and reducing the appearance of stretch marks. The natural ingredients in the formula work together to provide a range of benefits, including moisturizing the skin. Stretch Marks Formula contains oils that deeply moisturize the skin, which helps to improve its texture and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Reducing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of the ingredients in Stretch Marks Formula help to reduce swelling and redness, which can make stretch marks less noticeable. Promoting healthy collagen production. Collagen is a protein that is essential for healthy skin, and the ingredients in Stretch Marks Formula help to promote its production. This helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Improving circulation. The Centella asiatica extract in Stretch Marks Formula helps to improve circulation, which can promote healthy skin growth and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Repairing damaged skin. The natural ingredients in Stretch Marks Formula have healing properties that can help to repair damaged skin, reducing the appearance of stretch marks and promoting healthy skin growth. To use Stretch Marks Formula, simply apply a small amount to the affected areas twice daily, massaging it gently into the skin until it is fully absorbed. With regular use, you should start to see an improvement in the appearance of your stretch marks and enjoy healthy, glowing skin. Overall, the reviews of Stretch Marks Formula suggest that it is an effective and safe option for reducing the appearance of stretch marks. If you are looking for a natural and gentle product to improve the appearance of your skin, Stretch Marks Formula may be a good choice for you.